Hey friends, if you wish to restart or reset Windows Taskbar to default, then please watch this video. Now we make a lot of changes in Windows Taskbar. Right click on it, select Taskbar settings. So we make a lot of changes here, like I may turn this on, I may, turn this on and so on. So if I wish to reset it, then there is no reset switch here if you notice it, okay? So there's no way I can do it. Now we have a script for you. Simply copy this script. I will share it in the description section of the video. Type notepad in the Windows search bar and open notepad. Paste it here. Click on file. Click on save. Select a good location and then name this script, give it any name. Let's say reset task dot bat, name it bat, and change the save as type to all files. This is a very important step. This should be reset task or name it anything, but the extension should be .bat and save type all files. Click on save. Now you've created a bat file. Okay, if you double click on it, it will reset the taskbar. I won't click on it since I'm recording the video. It will impact the video, but you have to double click on it and it will reset the taskbar. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.